So in this video we are going to see that how we can make our contours on our videos. So for that I have already created a video that how we can read our video by the camera or our directory. So for that please see that video. So as we know, it is a simple code that we have used for to read our picture, or we can say to read our frames or video through our camera. So inside this we have to, for the contours we have to remember that first we have to take our frames, then we have to convert into in our grayscale image, then we have to find the contours with the help of find contours function in our Opencv. Then we have to find our contours. After that we have to draw that contours on our frames and it will make a video of that. So it is a basic process to find our contours. So for that let's go and write the code. So for that we are going to use our same function, and after reading the images we have to define the variable gray. Inside this first we have to use our, so first we have to convert our images into gray. For that we have a function color. For inside this we have to pass our frame, and after that we have to use cvt dot color into gray, bgr into gray. So after converting it into our frame, for that we have to find our edges. For the edges we have a function known as cv2 dot canny. Inside this we have to pass our grayscale images. After that we have to provide our some parameters 30, 20, or we can say 200. So it is our threshold value, or we can say in my next video I will talk about what is threshold. Before that, now we have to find our contours. Now for the contours we have to take our two values like hierarchy. We can take any variable name. For that we have to find our cv2 dot find. We have a function find contours. Inside this we have to pass our edges. Now we have a function cv2 dot chain. Now finally we have to draw our contours on our frames. Inside this we have to pass our variables like contours and one more value like threshold value and our color value. So for the color value I am taking my green value. Now we have to give our thickness. Now finally it is only a 4 line of code to show our contours on our image, or we can say edges. After executing this, okay, I have made a mistake over here. So inside this we have to make some changes. It should be in small, and this is not that gray. For that we have to give color underscore bgr to gray. And after that, okay, now it's fine. Okay, here also we have to give one more parameter cv2 dot reter underscore external. Now let's see it is working or not. Now it is working fine. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.